check this out. This is the backyard. This is the entrance from the backyard. So that's an exit point. And our backyard is one of the ones that aren't fenced in. See? So we have the only fenced in backyard in this whole community. See all the other backyards? See them? Gate, and then gate. Okay, so in this tree right, if I can get a good picture of it for you, I can't make it walk right here. But if you look right here, you can see it right. This pine tree right here, which is in our backyard, connected to it. It's back around here. And this one was a big black bear. So what Dada did is he did this. This thing recording. What the hell? Oh yeah, it's recording, okay. So I created a tripwire. So if you look, everything sits in this box. This box holds the key to the trip. And it creates a loud, it's actually a big truck horn. Okay, so in here is your rig. Here's your electrical, and here's your batteries inside there, which makes this whole thing waterproof and weatherproof. Okay, it's all encased. The weights are to keep it simple, and so it doesn't move anywhere, so you can't move it. And back here, it holds the trigger device. That's my trigger device, okay? And that turns this on right here, which is the truck horn. It all sits in there, it all locks up. It's all waterproof and weatherproof. Even if condensation hits, up under here is a plug that I created so the water drains off, and this thing actually sits on an angle. You see how it sits on an angle? So it'll drain off this way down, and the water will drain off onto that. So all year round, here's your tripwire. It's hot pink because this pathway right here is where the kids come during school, and they go out there, and right here, right there is where they sit in our front driveway and wait for the bus to pick them up. Which used to be Austin, used to go to that school. He doesn't go there no more. And that's your tripwire. See it? And it goes all the way around this tree, goes to this tree, and curves around, all the way around here, all the way to the back, comes back around. So everything in our backyard comes back to this tripwire here, which feeds into that one. And then here's how it works. Anything hits the tripwire, boom. And she goes loud as hell. And that will veer off any bears or anything back here. And there's the house. That's the back of the house at least. And I showed you the side. But that's all wooded area back there. So what'll happen is even if a bear does come and he runs into an attack mode, as soon as he gets within striking distance or gunshot range, pow! The gunshot goes, which is this horn.